So what you need to do is that you just take the spirulina as per the RGGL. Let's say you take 15 RG, 15 GL, so you can take 15 spirulina or maybe double, same or even double. If something to do with the blood, something to do with this thing, then you double it. As simple as that. Take it as food, you know. Okay, so do not worry too much about the dosage. Yeah. Thank you very much. Yeah, just now I explained to you, that my proper food is Ganoderma and spirulina. Ganoderma and spirulina is not my food supplement, it's my main food. Why I say that? Because Ganoderma contains 400 over these nutrients. Spirulina contains 200 to 300 of nutrients. These two combined together is 600 to 700 of nutrients. It's more than enough. That's why everybody should take Ganoderma and spirulina as the main food, not as a food supplement. So when you take spirulina, when you take Ganoderma, then you will be very certain today your nutrient is enough. Your nutrient is enough. When I went to Germany, in Europe, they asked me one question. They say German, many of them, they are suffering from depression. I think depression is very serious in Europe. Then they are asking me, what is the main reason for depression in Europe and especially in Germany? So I tell the German that you are suffering from malnutrition. And they're laughing, they keep on laughing, you know, this is the thing. They say, Dr. Lim, how can that be possible? In German, we take organic food, we are very careful with our food. How can we become a malnutrition? I told them there are two kinds of malnutrition. One is you do not have enough food to eat, like in Africa, in Pakistan, of course, that everybody can know this is malnutrition. But if you are very selective in your food, you only eat certain kind of food, your food is not diversified, you also have malnutrition. Then they asked me, what is the proof? I told them the proof is very, very simple. You don't need to use Ganoderma, you do not need to spirulina to proof. You just go to supermarket, buy 5 or 6 vegetables, chop them into pieces, boil into soup, you drink the soup. If your body is nutrition is balanced, no news, good news, nothing will happen to you. But if your body are malnutrition, when you drink the vegetable soup, your cell become very happy. When the cell very happy, they send signal. Unfortunately, our body cell can send only one signal, pains. The whole body here pains, they pain a lot of reaction. And in Germany, can you imagine, more than 75% of people, they have this reaction by taking this thing. So after that, I'm telling them, then you must take Ganoderma, you must take spirulina, because they are more potent than vegetable. They are more important than vegetable. That's why now in Europe, you can see many people, they started to take RGGL as their main food. They put the RGGL into the cereal, into the coffee, into the bread. They make into bread. That is a good move in Europe.